In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download Outlook onto your computer. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually go down to your taskbar and just select on this little start menu right here and search specifically for Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open it up once you have the ability to click on it, or just hit enter. And once you are in the Microsoft Store, go up to the search bar up at the very top and just type in Outlook, spelled exactly like that. Hit enter and you're going to see an Outlook for Windows option on here. Essentially, go ahead and select that, and where mine currently says open, yours is going to simply say install. Just click on that and this will start downloading and installing Outlook onto your computer. Whenever it is complete, just hit open. Sometimes it'll also create a shortcut as well, but when you open this up, you will be good to go. Outlook will now open up on your computer and be ready to use. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.